Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to make an image converting folder on Mac. The macOS offers a pretty quick way to convert images on Mac. I prefer to use an image converting folder to convert several photos even faster on Mac. So if you have to convert a ton of images repeatedly on your macOS device, I will recommend you to take advantage of this super handy feature. If it sounds fascinating to you, let me show you how it's done the right way. It's worth pointing out that in this guide, we will use macOS Automated app to create a smart folder action that will automatically convert images dropped into a specific folder. To get started, launch Automated app on your Mac. To do so, just press the Command plus spacebar, then type in Automated and launch it. Now click on New Document. Next, choose Folder Action at the type of your document. At the top of the workflow area, click on the drop-down next to Folder Action, Receives File, and Folders Added To, and then select Other. Next up, select the folder that you'd like to attribute the image conversion action to. For the purpose of this guide, I'm going to choose the Downloads folder. From the Library sidebar, on the far left, select Photos option. From the Actions column, drag Change Type of Images, the one with the preview icon, to the Workflow area. Next, a dialog prompt will appear. If you want your action to convert copies of your images placed in the folder and preserve the originals, select Add. And if you want it to convert the original images, select Don't Add. Up next, in the Change Type of Images action panel, choose the type of format that you want images to be converted to. I'm going to choose the JPEG format. In the Automated menu bar, click on the File menu and choose Save, or just press Command S and then call your new file action Convert Image and hit Save. And that's pretty much it. You have successfully created an image converting folder on your Mac. Next time you wish to convert an image into your desired format, just drag it into the folder that you assign the action to and you are good to go. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily make an image converting folder on your Mac. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it to quickly convert a ton of images on your macOS device. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.